Hello everyone, and today we'll learn how to make a very cool and neat paper plane. This plane can go on windy weather, it can go on stale weather, you can throw it anyhow you want and it will fly. So, this is a tutorial on how to make this paper plane. Now, you grab your sheet of paper, you grab the top left corner of your paper, and you fold it all the way to touch the whole right side. Then you press it, so you can form a nice neat line. Now, you open it up, you fold the other half as the same way. Now that you've done that, when you open it, you'll get a nice X in the middle of your paper. Now, this can be a confusing part, but you need to push this middle and lower the top above it. So you get something like this. Now you press it, so you can get this shape or construction. So now it looks more like a real plane, but this is only the beginning step. Now you grab one of the three corners and bend them upwards towards the front. You do the same thing with the other one. Now you bend the whole front half till this little ridges to these corners here. You bend the whole upper half of the top to the end of this part of the plane. So you get something like this. Now what you do, you take the half, but not these three corners, just the folded front. You take it and bend it forwards. So you can get something like this, with the three corners still dangling behind. So now you can fold the whole plane in half. Now that you've done it, you decide like how big the body you need it to be, and you fold the wings. So you get something like this. Now you grab the body, like the fuselage looking thing, and you tear the tail all the way up to the wings, like this, and then you push the tail through so it pops on the other side. Then you press it, so you can have nice and sharp corners, like this. Now, you have this corner, right here on the fuselage. You press that corner in, so it bends inwards and makes this small ridge here. What that ridge does, when you throw a plane, the wind goes in here and gets pushed up, so the plane goes upwards. Now that you've done that, we're almost there. You can see with the finished product, it's almost done. So now what you do is bend the edges of the wing. It's important for the wings to have the same, for the wedges to be of the same size. So your wing size remains the same, because if it's not, your plane will not fly along and will not fly forwards. After you do that, you make a little flaps on the end. Also, the flaps have to be almost as exact same size. So your plane can fly forwards, so it doesn't turn. And when you're done with that, congratulations, you have your own paper plane. And if you do it with your friends, you have a whole paper squadron of planes. And you can form units and squadrons. That's it.